back-to-back pulls.
Yeah.
But that was a good fucking race though. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah.
50 rolls are the way to go.
Yeah, for these gears, fuck yeah, I can't do 40. So this is definitely faster than the FRS because he gapped the fuck out of me when I had the FRS.
Really?
Yeah. That's not bad though.
Oh, yeah,
My IAT's at over 100, bro. Fuck that. I can't do back-to-back pulls, bro.
That's the twin turbo 370Z on the right lane, right? On the left is BMW.
I told you, I can't do 40 rolls. Yeah, I'm looking 40 roll. I don't have the gear for it.
Yeah, 50 rolls definitely feel better.
Yeah.
Yeah, when you versed him on a 40 roll, he gapped you. But
yeah, I don't have a. You saw the RPM's 4,500, bro.
Yeah.
And as soon as I put my foot down, I have to shift. Man, this weather is just terrible. It's been on and off raining. It's nice one day, terrible the next day, nice one day, terrible the next day. I really am leaving at the perfect time because the weather's starting to get really bad. Like, it's getting cool. Obviously that's good for the car, but snow's coming. But I hope you guys enjoyed those runs. I finally got a run against my boy Omar's full bolt-on E85 Gen 1 5.0. I'm gonna go ahead and link his channel at the top of the description. Make sure you guys check him out. He's 200 subscribers away from 1,000. Now we are gonna get a rerun down in Texas around 2K time. Both of our cars are gonna have completely different setups, and I cannot wait to get this rerun in because it's gonna be pretty damn interesting, man. His car makes around 450 to 460 wheel horsepower. That's what it did read on the dyno. It went head to head. It was a good ass race. Now what I learned from that race is that 410s and roll races do not mix. So the first thing I'm doing, actually at the same time, I'm 100% gonna go ahead and get this car tuned for the long tube headers because the car was not tuned for the long tube headers during that race, or all those races. The car was not tuned for the long tube headers. I need to go ahead and gear this car down to 373s. I did not believe when people said that these cars with 410s are horrible when you do roll races, because that's what a lot of people do out here. They do roll races. Some people do digs, but quite honestly, I don't have a tire to do digs, and number two, I'm not really, you know, seasoned on digs, so I need to get, you know, more proficient at that. So rolls are pretty much what I'm doing right now. And this car from a 40 roll cannot be done with 410 gears. I'm at 5,000 RPM. I immediately have to shift, and if you guys are, you know, not familiar with new edges, I don't care what anybody says. If you drive a new edge or you've driven a new edge, you know what's up. Shifting from second to third and third to fourth in a new edge Mustang, if you do not, repeat this right now, if you do not have an MGW short throw shifter, is literally a fucking mission. Like, it is not like shifting an S550. It is not shifting, you know, an S197. It's actually hard. You have to literally throw and row the car in gear. If you don't get a clean shift, they're gonna pass you, and that's exactly what happened on every run past, you know, when I go from second to third, besides the last one, because obviously we did a 50 roll. I got a clean third to fourth gear shift, and it was dead even. So that tells you a lot how you have to kind of be perfect when shifting these new edge Mustangs. Now, something else that I need to do with the car is 100% need to get a little bit of weight reduction done. I'm 100% gonna go ahead and take out the 2 subs that are in the trunk, because I haven't done that yet. I have an amp in the trunk that I need to take out that I haven't done that yet. I need to take out the spare tire, all that stuff, and I also need to go ahead and do a little rear seat delete so I can cut down on some weight. But literally, my car is 410 wheel horsepower. That lets you know the weight advantage a new edge Mustang does have when doing a roll when you're in the right RPM. It's honestly amazing. I honestly did not think I was going to be that even. I thought I was going to get gapped, to be honest with you, because when I raced him in the FRS. I didn't record the video because it was just a random encounter, but he gapped me from a 40 roll, obviously, because that car is not even in boost, and from a 60 roll, I got gapped as well. So the fact that I was dead even in this car with this kind of gear issue, well, not really issue, but just the situation I'm in with the gears, and it went head to head, and I'm still down on horsepower, tells you a lot. And honestly, I cannot wait to go ahead and make some minor modifications to this car. So if you guys are on the fence of boosting a new edge, if you can keep up with a Gen 1 5.0, because that's not a stock 5.0, mind you, that 5.0 is full bolt-ons, long tubes, catless. It has a Boss 302 manifold. I believe it's actually ported Boss 302 manifold with E85. It went head to head, and my car's 400 wheel horsepower with bullshit in the back of the trunk. Go ahead and boost it. The only thing you have to mind is you have to make sure you are in the right gear, probably around 3,500 RPM, whether that be a second or third gear roll, and you have to make sure you hit those shifts on point, otherwise you might lose. So we're gonna make some minor modifications, like I said. Gears, gonna go ahead and get the car tuned for long tubes, and we're gonna go ahead and take out, you know, some of this weight in the back, and I might actually swap my intercooler out too, but it's a pretty damn good roll. I'm really happy with the car. Like I said, I did not expect it to be that close. I expected to lose by at least a car every single race, at least a car, if not more, car and a half, but that was damn good. Now I do want to go ahead when I get down to Texas after I get this stuff done, because I want to race a stock Gen 1 just to see what's up. I also want to race a Gen 2 with bolt-ons, and I do want to race a 10-speed. I don't think I'm going to beat the 10-speed just because I personally cannot shift this car that quick, and I'm not really that used to shifting this car that quick. And I'm not going to get an MGW until I actually do, you know, the complete swap with the setup. But I just want to see where I'm at against a 10-speed, because that'll actually, you know, let me know how good of a driver I am. Let me know what you guys think. Also kind of want to race a scat pack too that's not on spray. I did race my buddy's scat that was spraying. I mean, he gapped us both good. I raced the twin turbo Z. He got us, obviously. I mean, man, I'm happy, really happy, because I was expecting to get gapped. I'm not gonna cap. I was expecting to get gapped. I really was. But hope you guys do enjoy the video. If you guys did, make sure you guys drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications, and check out my boy's channel, man. Lopez 5.0. Catch y'all in the next one.